In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website hosting with HostGator. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get your site live on the internet. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and visit the HostGator website. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice a navigation menu at the top. What you want to do is click on Hosting. This will give you several options to choose from, such as shared, VPS, or dedicated hosting plans. Each of these plans caters to different needs. If you're just starting out or looking to host a personal blog, a shared hosting plan might be perfect for you. For larger businesses or heavy traffic sites, VPS or dedicated hosting could be more suitable. Take a moment to consider your specific needs and select the plan that's right for you. Now, once you've chosen your preferred hosting plan, the next step is to select your billing cycle. HostGator provides flexibility here, offering various billing options ranging from monthly to triennial plans. Choosing a longer-term plan often reduces the overall cost, so weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. Additionally, HostGator offers extras like Site Lock Security, CodeGuard Backup, and G Suite. Digest what each extra provides to determine if they're of value to you or if the basic offerings suffice. After determining your plan and any additional features, the next area to focus on is your domain name. If you already have a domain, you can enter it here. Alternatively, you can easily register a new one through HostGator. Your domain is a critical part of your online identity, so ensure it reflects your brand and is easy to remember and type. With your domain sorted, it's time to create your HostGator account and fill in the billing details. This step involves entering your personal information like your name and address, followed by your payment information. HostGator accepts various forms of payment, making the process convenient for you. Make sure you double-check all the details you've entered to avoid any issues later. Before finalizing your order, take a moment to thoroughly review everything you've selected. Ensuring that your hosting plan, billing cycle, extras, and domain are all correct is crucial. After your review, go ahead and complete the payment process. Once the payment process is completed, you'll receive a confirmation email from HostGator. This email is important because it contains your account and login details, which you'll use to access your hosting dashboard. Keep this information secure and accessible. And that's it. You've successfully set up your hosting with HostGator. Now you can move forward to the exciting part of building your website and sharing it with the world. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy hosting.